Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to work on, I always lose my words, number 6 and 7 for TouchMath touch point placement. This lesson is for Caden, Aiden, Jaden, Corbin, Nakara, Brian, Darrell, Orlando, Desmond, Dylan, Alan, and Mariko, you actually know how to add using TouchMath, but sometimes you forget about the number placement. So this is just a refresher if you and your parents feel that you need one. So the purpose of this lesson is to go over touch point placement for numbers 6 and 7 so that you can accurately add and subtract numbers using the principles of touch point math. So numbers 1 through 5 look different than 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you remember number 1 through 5, they don't have rings around the points. The larger the number, the more touch points you need. So for 6 through 9, there is a ring around your dot. That ring just indicates another time that you have to touch it. So when there's just a dot, you hit it once. When there's a ring and a dot, you touch it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 6, 6 touch points. 6 times you touch the number 6. Let's look at that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 6 has touch points. Cool. So again, with your worksheet, or if you're drawing this, you're going to color it in. Let's use my board. Color it in. 1, then draw the circle. 2, or the ring. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to circle down here the number 6. Between 5 and 7. So what number are we working on? And how many touch points are on that number? Good. So number 6, 6 touch points. Remember, you have to go in order. That decreases the chances of you having an inaccurate sum. If you're all over the place and 1, 2, 3, you might miss a number, you might miss a point, and then when you're adding, you will have an incorrect answer. So if you have a worksheet like this and you're working along with me, this can be found in their email. You're going to start at the top, down and around. Never lift your pencil off the paper. None of these show up well, in my opinion, on this screen. Let's try black. Let's try red, actually. Again, my marker is never going to leave the paper. Down, around, and stop. Guess it's just not going to show very well. I'll do it one more time. My pen never lifts off the paper. Down, around, and stop. Cool. And what number is that? And how many touch points are on that number? Wonderful. This one says color 6 flies. Ew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Think of it as you're touching number 6's head, you're touching number 6's stomach, and then you touch his feet. You leave his belly alone. No belly. Head. Well, that is stomach. Maybe head, shoulders. I didn't do that very well. We'll do head, chest. Head, chest, and feet. How about that? We leave his belly alone. So again, the number 6. Down and around. Color 6 bugs. Head, chest, 3, 4, feet, 5, 6. Head, 1, 2. Chest, 3, 4. Feet, 5, 6. That does not change. I'm going to erase mine. We're going to go through this sheet one more time. Number 6, down and around. My pencil, what is this? My dry erase marker never lifted up. I didn't go down and then come around. One smooth motion. 6. Color the flies. Head, 1, 2. Chest, 3, 4. Feet, 5, 6. 1, 2. Head, 3, 4. Chest, 5, 6. Feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head, chest, feet. All right. Oh, and I almost forgot. At the bottom, oh Lord, at the bottom, number 6, we're going to write it. Six. 6. S-I-X. Alrighty. Erase my board. And then I'm going to go to number 7. And this is number. A number has how many touch points? So number 7 has 7 touch points. Number 7 looks different from number 6 in more than one way. For 1, it's a different number. For 2, we have touch points with rings. We have touch points without rings. Same principle applies. Same rules. When it's a ring, 1, 2. When it's by itself, once. We are going to follow the order of the numbers. If you cannot see the screen, you should definitely be able to see it on your paper. We start at the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to think of it as a bunch of friends going down a slide and then going right back up to start over again. So let's go. We go down the slide first, and then you go back up. Down the slide and then up. Down the slide and then back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back up, 7. We're at the slide, we go down, then we come back up. This is the direction that you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you see the number 7, that's how you count those touch points. Down the slide, then back up. To write the number 7 or to trace it across and down the slide. Across and down the slide. One more time. Across and then down the slide. Your pencil doesn't need to leave the paper. Across, down. No, Miss Diener's did, but I'm writing holding the paper, so it's a little more difficult for me. Across, down. Across, down. One more time. Across, down. 7. Some of you, I think, are 7 years old. So, the first one says, color 7 swords. Down the slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back up. 7. Color the 7 lamps. Down the slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time for the touch points. How are we going to touch and count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back up. 7. Remember, if there isn't a ring around your touch point, it's not wrong. You just only count it once. Down the slide and back up. And then, of course, at the bottom, you're going to trace the word 7, the number word. S-E-V-E-N. Miss Diener needs a clipboard. I think that would help me. 7. S-E-V-E-N. All right, my loves, that concludes our lesson on 6 and 7. Feel free to pause, restart, rewind, fast forward as many times as necessary. These are the only sheets that you'll find in your packet. For the number 7, that's only the ones that they come with. Usually in the classroom, we have little foam numbers that they get to put touch points on, but unfortunately, we don't have all that. They also get to come to the board, but we don't have that either. So, we have to just watch the same video over and over again. So again, that was 6 and 7, and the next video we're going to do will be 8 and 9. See you soon.